If you look at the statistics and look around you, the fact is that most people are not in good shape. The usual excuses are a lack of time, money, or something similar. While there is some legitimacy in these reasons, more often than not it comes down to a lack of planning, discipline, and commitment. Nobody's telling you to be a bodybuilder or bikini model, but it's vital that you take care of your health in medical school. Yes, you're busy. Yes, funds are tight. But the fact of the matter is that this is the most free time you're likely ever going to have for a long time. Money might be tight, but if you think about the things you buy that you don't really need, are they really more important than your health? You need to invest in either a gym membership or a yoga studio, a rock climbing gym, whatever you enjoy, but you need to do something to keep you moving. You need to invest in healthy foods, and I promise you that this is going to pay dividends for you for years to come. Exercise and healthy eating is not only going to make you feel good about yourself and look good, but more importantly, it's going to keep you energized and focused on school. Having a physical activity to look forward to after a long day of studying is also encouraging, and it helps to keep you positive. So again, you don't have to do anything that you don't enjoy. Obviously, you're not going to be a career bodybuilder or a model. This is just to keep you physically active, so it needs to be something that you genuinely enjoy doing. That could be intramural sports, weightlifting, powerlifting, cycling, rock climbing, jogging, whatever you want to do, just do something. I really love cycling, so it doesn't take me any discipline to do it. It's just something I look forward to, and it's just part of my day. Without it, it feels incomplete. So if you're new to fitness or you don't particularly enjoy it, start slow and make it fun. Don't start a diet of salads and water if you're used to eating Twinkies and chips on the couch. It's not going to last, and you will inevitably be disappointed in yourself for not being able to keep up such idealistic expectations. Just start small, drink more water, a little bit more vegetables, try to eat out less. If your physical activity consists of walking from the couch to your bed, then start small, do some push-ups at home, go for a run before signing up for a gym membership or anything like that. Just take some baby steps. Now, whether your goal is six-pack abs or just general health, which again, general health is what we're going for in this episode and video, nutrition is going to make the biggest difference. So the first thing here is meal prep. Meal prep is very important on multiple facets. One, it's going to save you money. Two, more importantly, it's going to save you time. And three, it's going to keep you healthy. I prepare all my meals on Sunday for the coming week. I use a slow cooker. So recipes you can find all over the internet. Things like a meat source, a carb source such as rice or quinoa. You can look up these recipes and try whatever you want and keep whatever you want. It takes me about 2 hours on Sunday from start to finish, and I don't have to worry about anything the rest of the week. I keep 4 days worth of food in the fridge and the rest in the freezer, and that gets me through the week until I repeat the process the next weekend. Again, you don't have to eat boring rice and chicken breasts. Find what works for you. Just make it a process where you can meal prep, and then you don't have to worry about it. The second thing is mindful eating. So no one here is telling you not to have any fun and never eat out. Definitely go out to eat and drink with your classmates, but just be honest about it. If you're looking at the menu, pick things that are similar to what you usually eat, or you can tell they're whole, healthy ingredients. It's okay to enjoy a couple of post-exam beers, but there's no need to be at happy hour all the time or doing shots every weekend. You need to take care of your health. Now, the third thing about nutrition, you really don't have to do this if you're just going for general health, but you can count calories if you would like. I'm very OCD and organized all the time, so I like to know exactly what's going on. And if you want to do this, just multiply your weight in pounds by 15, and this is the amount of calories you need to eat to maintain your weight in general. You can eat 500 less if you want to lose weight, and add 300 more if you'd like to gain weight. But don't worry about this too much unless you're interested in this stuff, and obviously talk to your doctor or your dietitian before making any changes. This isn't professional advice. So once nutrition's taken care of, we get to the physical activity, and like we mentioned earlier, it's good to get out of your comfort zone, but if it prevents you from doing anything at all, then obviously don't do that. Just do something that you enjoy. It can be as little as going for a walk multiple times a day. going for a bike ride, which is what I enjoy, a jog, lifting weights at the gym if that's your thing. Just do something to get you moving and try and improve on it every time you do it, so it gives you a goal to chase. If organized exercise isn't really your thing, you can do intramural sports. Just try doing things like walking up the stairs instead of taking an elevator. Just look for opportunities to get moving and keep yourself in a good state of mind, as well as a good state for your body. The reason it's so important to stay healthy in medical school, like we already mentioned, not only does it save you money and time and keeps you focused and energized for class, like we said, the reality is this is the most time you're going to have for a while, so if you don't instill these good habits now, you're basically never going to. You certainly can later on, but it's going to take more work to undo the bad habits you're building on. Med school is a very stressful environment, and this can lead to bad eating behaviors as well as physical activity and just keeping your health in general. So we want to prevent that, and if it's already started, obviously fix it. Because the reality is that residency is going to be even more stressful, and then you'll have a family and other adult responsibilities to worry about. So stress isn't going anywhere, and you're only harming yourself by not taking care of yourself and not taking care of your health. So don't obsess over it too much and start comparing yourself to other people as far as body image and things like that. But definitely take the time to listen to this podcast and do your own research and see what works for you, because your health is really all you have in life. If you don't have that, nothing else really matters, and you're the only one that's responsible for it. So please take this into consideration. Look after your nutrition, look after your physical activity, and it's going to pay off in the long run. As always, feel free to reach out to us, let us know what you want to hear about next, and we'll be sure to get to it.
Thank you for listening to today's podcast and watching the video. Please subscribe, leave a rating, and share us with your friends. Together, we will end physician burnout and suicide by educating medical students and health professionals. Find us on all social media platforms or email us at pathofadoctor@gmail.com.